നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫർമേറ്റീവായ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് പ്രൊഫസർ ആർക്കിടെക്ചർ 541/2014 കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ. ടെക്നിക്കൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ നിന്നാണ് വേക്കൻസി റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. 23/5/2018 ഈ എക്സാം നടന്നത്. ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ നോക്കാം. Question 21. Which of the following is a king closer? Correct answer option D. A portion of an ordinary brick formed by removing a corner and leaving a half header and half structure faces. Question 22. Which of the following is hardwood? Correct answer option A. Mahogany. Question 23. Which of the following refers to marble? Correct answer option C. They are metamorphosed limestones. Question 24. What is mean by total float in project management? Correct answer option D. None of the above. Question 25. As per the Disaster Management Act enacted in 2005 by Government of India, which of the following organization was constituted? Correct answer option D. National Disaster Management Authority. Question 26. Which of the following is a shallow foundation? Correct answer option B. Isolated footing. Question 27. What is the approximate compressive strength of concrete in the proportion 1:2:4? Correct answer option C. 15 Newton/mm². Question 28. Which of the following is not used as a project management software? Correct answer option A. MATLAB. Question 29. Which of the following are used for core wall construction of high-rise buildings? Correct answer option C. Flying desk. Question 30. Main reinforcement for a 10 cm RCC cantilever slab is placed at? Correct answer option D. Top. Question 31. Identify the system used as an anti-siphonage measure. Correct answer option B. One pipe system partially ventilated. Question 32. A wet riser cum downcomer is? Correct answer option C. A pipe with water at specified pressure used for firefighting. Question 33. What is water seal? Correct answer option D. Vertical distance between the upper dip and crown of a trap. Question 34. What is the thickness of one brick wall in Flemish bond? Correct answer option B. 23 cm. Question 35. What is the approximate measure of electricity consumed in a house for 1 day? Correct answer option B. 3 kilowatt. Question 36. The illumination output of a CFL bulb is? Correct answer option A. 50 to 70 lumens per watt. Question 37. A ton of air conditioning is equivalent to? Correct answer option D. All the statements are correct. Question 38. A concrete beam is in a bridge is constructed with holes longitudinal through which wires are threaded and later anchored at both ends. This method is called? Correct answer option A. Post tensioning. Question 39. A time-lapse photography technique is used in? Correct answer option D. All the above. Question 40. What is the standard lane width of a carriageway? Correct answer option B. 3.5 meter. Question 41. As per KMBR 1998, an intermediate floor in any story overlooking a floor beneath is called? Correct answer option A. MS9 floor. Question 42. The special provision for small plots as per KMBR 1998 apply for? Correct answer option A. Residential and commercial plots below 125 meters square. Question 43. Which of the following is not a graphic input device? Correct answer option C. Plotter. Question 44. In digital architecture, computer modeling, programming, simulation and imaging are used to create? Correct answer option B. Virtual forms and physical forms. Question 45. As per Architects Act 1972, what is the duration of professional liability of an architect towards a building? Correct answer option C. 3 years after handling on or occupation. Question 46. Who among the following are not mandatory members of the Council of Architecture, India? Correct answer option D. Cabinet Secretary of Ministry of Urban Development. Question 47. Which of the following is a benefit of the Bill of Quantities? Correct answer option A. Improve accuracy of bids. Question 48. Which of the following is not considered for calculating FAR? Correct answer option A. Open parking area. Question 49. Which occupancy group among the following has the least FAR permitted as per KMBR? Correct answer option C. Assembly. Question 50. Smart buildings or structures are? Correct answer option D. All of the above. Question 51. The Infinity Tower to be constructed near Incheon Airport in South Korea is remarkable because? Correct answer option B. The tower will go invisible using high definition cameras and LED display. Question 52. Which of the following housing development was demolished due to unmanageable crime rates? Correct answer option C. Pruitt, Goy, St. Louis. Question 53. Find out the most appropriate statement about Bank of Elevators. Correct answer option A. A building is split into two or more groups of contiguous floors and each group of floors is served by a set of elevators to improve efficiency. Question 54. Raster is? Correct answer option B. A pixel based image. Question 55. The underside of an arch is called? Correct answer option D. Soffit. Question 56. Which of the following can be used for scheduling a project? Correct answer option D. All of the above. Question 57. Which of the following material has the lowest embedded energy per kilogram? Correct answer option C. Cement concrete. Question 58. Which of the following fall under indirect cost? Correct answer option A. Cost of building permit. Question 59. What is the approximate fire rating for a 20 cm brick wall? Correct answer option C. 4 hours. Question 60. Ratio of effective height of a building member to its effective thickness is? Correct answer option B. Slenderness ratio. Question 61. Which of the following ancient cities described by Majesthenes was in the form of parallelogram gridded by a ditch and wooden wall with 570 towers and 64 gates? Correct answer option A. Padaliputra. Question 62. Rudabai Vav at Adlaj, Ahmedabad is? Correct answer option C. A step well. Question 63. Which of the following structures in Fatehpur Sikri is made of white marble and embellished with chajjas? Correct answer option B. Tomb of Salim Chishti. Question 64. The painting in the ceiling of Sistine Chapel in Vatican City done by Michelangelo under the patronage of Pope Julius II are considered to be belonging to? Correct answer option D. High Renaissance. Question 65. Which of the following is not a Greek order? Correct answer option A. Composite. Question 66. Which of the following temples in Kerala has multi-stored sanctum sanctorum? Correct answer option B. Peruvanam Mahadeva Temple. Question 67. Which of the following attribute is not characteristics of international style of architecture? Correct answer option A. Recognition of local architecture. Question 68. Which of the following buildings is considered an example of deconstruction? Correct answer option D. Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao, Spain. Question 69. The Mahabalipuram Ratha belong to? Correct answer option C. Pallava period. Question 70. The iron bridge near Kalbrokadable uses this technique. Correct answer option B. Cast iron arch. Question 71. Navi Mumbai is a new town development planned by CIDCO. Which of the following statements relate to this development? Correct answer option D, providing service sites for urban development and housing of different income groups. Question 72. According to Kevin Lynch, which major elements contribute to building the imaginability of a city? Correct answer option A, nodes, pathway, edges, landmarks and districts. Question 73. Which of the following towns has incorporated the neighborhood planning principle of Clarence Perry? Correct answer option B, Radburn. Question 74. As per census 2011, what is the share of urban population in India? Correct answer option C, 31%. Question 75. Read the following recommendations and choose the ones which relate to the National Urban Housing and Habitat Policy 1998. Correct answer option D, 1, 3 and 4. Question 76. Born in the year 1917, this famous architect studied at the Birmingham Institute of Art and Design and became the pioneer of sustainable architecture. Who is the architect? Correct answer option B, Laurie Baker. Question 77. Which of the following material is used for treatment of bamboo? Correct answer option C, borax boric acid solution. Question 78. What is secondary mortgage market? Correct answer option A. It is a market where mortgage loans and servicing rights are bought and sold. Question 79. Which of the following cannot be considered a traffic calming measure? Correct answer option D, widening at junctions. Question 80. Which of the following is not considered for Griha rating? Correct answer option D, use of remote sensing. Question 81. Which of the following reports is named as Our Common Future? Correct answer option B, Brundtland Commission report. Question 82. Out of the following statements, which are the principles of site planning? Correct answer option A, E, F only. Question 83. Which of the following is the formula for calculating reverberation time? Correct answer option B, T equal to 0.16 V by A. Question 84. In an auditorium, the back wall is given acoustic treatment to. Correct answer option D, prevent reflection of sound. Question 85. What is meant by biodiversity hotspot? Correct answer option D, a geographical area rich in biodiversity but rapidly losing biological communities due to human impacts. Question 86. What is the illumination level required for routine work in an office? Correct answer option B, 300 lux. Question 87. World Habitat Day is observed on. Correct answer option C, first Monday of October. Question 88. Identify the statements relating to acclimation. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question 89. Which of the following sites is climatically suitable for construction in Kerala? Correct answer option A site sloping down to northeast. Question 90. Which of the following are true about a psychometric chart? Correct answer option C, only 1, 2. Question 91. Deliberate placement of elements to create opportunities by abrupt transition rather than gradual is called. Correct answer option A, contrast. Question 92. The proportions of man is illustrated in the 10 books of architecture written by. Correct answer option C, Vitruvius. Question 93. When we recognize buildings by features which are similar to such type of buildings, it is called. Correct answer option C, associated character. Question 94. Roby House, Falling Water and Crowder House are dominated by. Correct answer option B, planar elements. Question 95. Hierarchy can be achieved through a change in. Correct answer option D, all the above. Question 96. The degree of mixture of fine and coarse elements is called. Correct answer option C, texture. Question 97. When buildings and their components are related harmoniously to each other and to human beings, we call it. Correct answer option A, scale. Question 98. Up to 135 meter, which of the following is possible? Correct answer option B, distinguish human action. Question 99. Which of the following architects adopted the phrase less is more as a percent of minimalized design and architecture? Correct answer option C, Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Question 100. Sense of place is determined by. Correct answer option D, all the above.